Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Kilim Geo Forest situated in Langkawi, a very beautiful island situated in Malaysia. This forest is situated northeast of the Langkawi Island. We are staying at the Pentai Chenang area, which is around 30 kilometers from this particular area. We have rented a scooter actually, which made it easier for us to reach here. So we would suggest you the same, but there are other tours as well where they will bring you in vans or buses. So you can just choose accordingly.
Today morning I was checking the Grab app to see how much it costs to come from Pentai Chenang to Kilim Forest. So it was showing around 70 ringgit.
Our tour is going to start at 10:40 a.m. Right now the time is 10. So we went to the counter and there was a lady. She mentioned that you can just go and have your breakfast. We need to report to a green tower right at 10:30. So we are going to have our breakfast now.
There is a very nice food court here. There are a lot of food stalls here, shops here where you can have your breakfast.
We took scrambled egg with bread, जो कि हम लोग ऑलरेडी खा चुके हैं, वीडियो बनाना ही भूल गए थे, and it costed us 6 Malaysian ringgit.
We have booked this tour from Get Your Guide and it has costed us 4,750 INR for 2 people. We have dropped the link in the description for you to check it out.
After breakfast, we made our way to the jetty terminal where our adventure was set to kick off. If you're in Langkawi, you definitely have to check out the mangrove forest. Just pick a boat tour that fits your vibe. Ours is a 4-hour tour and we'll be stopping at a few cool spots. You'll get to see them and figure out if this is the tour for you.
We are at the first stop of the day, which is the Bat Cave, and to enter here you will have to keep your belongings on the board because there are a lot of monkeys here. But to enter here you will have to pay, so keep your money bag with you. Don't do the mistake like we did. We kept it on the bag, so they told us that you can pay it later. It's 2 Malaysian ringgit for adults and 1 for a child.
We thought that the entrance fees will be included in our trip, but it is not. तो आपको 2 ringgits पर adult पे करना ही पड़ेगा आगे.
और वो भी तो ये वाला स्पॉट में है, बाकी तो अभी तक पता नहीं है, देखते हैं क्या होता है.
Before we went into the cave, we saw a sign saying no flash photography was allowed, but we had no choice since it was super dark and smelled really bad inside. It's a bat cave filled with stalactites and stalagmites. To be honest, we have seen caves with way more impressive formations.
To be honest, we are really disappointed. यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है to be honest. मतलब अंदर में एक केव है जिसमें एक भी बैट नहीं है right now, और यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है beware of monkeys. एक monkey है सिर्फ.
After feeling a bit let down, we made our way to the next spot on our list, which was an open aquarium. So far, it only took us 10 minutes to get down between each place. Now let's check out what this open aquarium is all about.
We are at the second spot of the day by the Kilim River. There is a floating restaurant, so we came here, and here there is a natural aquarium, you can say.
We checked out this local fish farm where we got close with different types of marine life, discovered traditional aquaculture methods, and even fed some fish. It's a cool way to see how the local marine industry works and what they are doing for sustainability.
So this part over here we have stingray.
They are not eating.
Huh?
They are not eating.
I think for this time maybe they need some KFC or McDonald's or something.
Point.
So if you want to order something after this, you can order to my friend over here.
There are a lot of options here, different types of fishes, lobster, chicken, everything. तो यहाँ पे जो फिशेस लॉबस्टर वगैरह है ये इनके एक्वेरियम से ही ये लोग लेके आते हैं पकाते हैं एंड देन ये हैव राइस साइड डिशेस प्राइसेस आर नॉट लाइक टू एक्सपेंसिव बट इट्स फाइन.
ये एक फ्लोटिंग रेस्टोरेंट है विद अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल व्यू ऑफ द किलिम रिवर. ये पूरा का पूरा टूरिस्ट के लिए ही बनाया गया है बिकॉज और कोई वे है ही नहीं इधर आने का. ओनली जेटीज आर कमिंग और यहाँ हमें फिर से माइलो का क्रेविंग हो गया.
We are going to the third spot of the day. that was the second spot. It was okay. And yeah, let's see how the next one is. The boat is going really fast and it's exciting.
We are heading to an unknown destination and stumble upon some mangrove forest. The Andaman Sea is surrounded by these thick mangrove woods, and honestly, you'll find some stunning sights like this all over the Andaman Islands as well. Mangrove trees have specific growing conditions. They thrive in protected tropical and subtropical coastal regions around the world and need a lot of salty water. While the water that evaporates from the leaves is clean, the seawater that reaches their roots is quite salty. These forests create a distinct wetland ecosystem sitting at the boundary of land and sea, and they flourish in seawater. Malaysia ranks third in mangrove coverage with around 4,600 square kilometers, following Indonesia, which holds the top spot. Then came a small cave जहाँ से सिर्फ एक ही बोट पास कर सकता है. ये कोई ऐसा वैसा cave नहीं था. It's called the Crocodile Cave. Scary, isn't it? We were really pumped up about the chance to see some live crocodiles, but it turns out that the cave is named after the rock formations that resemble a crocodile's body. Next was a surprise, eagle watching. Amazing scene of eagles diving to snatch their meals during the exciting eagle feeding event. It's a great chance to snap some awesome photos while also appreciating the skill and elegance of these incredible birds.
We have come to an eagle spotting area, and there are a lot of eagles. So yeah, it's looking very beautiful and of course majestic.
We had a blast on the boat ride, zipping from one place to another way quicker than we thought. Sometimes it might look like we sped up the video, but trust me, that's just how fast we were going.
We are at the Long Sand Beach right now, and this is the third spot of our day, excluding the eagle spotting area where we have stopped. So here we have been provided with 5 minutes. There's nothing much here, just a regular beach with a lot of monkeys. So beware with your belongings. Small things like mobile, specs, caps, etc. etc. That's it. अभी एक न्यू ईयर के लिए एक बहुत सुंदर सा नेल आर्ट किया है मैंने. दिस इज द कैट आई नेल्स एंड आई एम लविंग इट. जहाँ पे भी जा रही हूँ मैं यही देख रही हूँ सर. ऐसा लग रहा है इधर 5 मिनट से ज़्यादा ही रुक गया. अभी तो 15 मिनट हो गया लग रहा है ऑलरेडी. आई थिंक हम लोगों ने गलत सुना. 5 मिनट नहीं 50 मिनट था शायद. बहुत देर हो गया है. अब तो इधर ही रुका है, तो हम लोग भी अभी नीचे उतर गए हैं. थोड़ा पैर वैर भिगा ही लेते हैं. थोड़ा ठंडा है पानी और बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्मी है.
We spent some time here before being brought in front of the famous Killam Geoforest Park sign. The boat paused here just for a few seconds और फिर at last lunch के लिए ले गया.
We have come for our lunch, which is included in the package. And first we have been provided with drinks. Looks like orange juice.
ये वही वाला फ्लोटिंग रेस्टोरेंट है जहाँ पे हम लोग फिशेस लॉबस्टर वगैरह देखे. सारा टूरिस्ट बोट्स आ गया लंच के लिए.
And here's our lunch. We have been provided with the rice, chicken, salad, papad, and what is this? Even this is chicken. Oh, chicken. That is also chicken. Okay, let's start eating.
Our trip is over and it got over by 2 p.m. It was good and okay, and finally we got the lunch, so yeah, we are full. ट्रिप खत्म होने के बाद पता चला कि स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट में और भी बहुत कुछ है, बट काफ़ी धूप गर्मी थी, so we needed a break from the sun. तो हम लोग वापस निकल गए थे. If you get time, do explore this huge area. And that is going to be all for today's video. If you have liked the video, definitely like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed. Till then, bye bye. We will see you next Saturday again with a new video.